My friends, welcome to this episode of Hiking Viking. I'm in my car and I'm ready to start. But before we start, let's take a look of the weather forecast and see where we are going into. There is a warning of severe weather. Here comes the bulletin. Rain, level 3. High waters, level 2. There is a risk of flash flooding, and right now it's raining. It's raining pretty heavily soon, and the level where the rain is turning into snow, it's about 200 meters at the moment, so it's really rather warm. There's also risks of avalanches and so on. I'm going now into the forest and I'm taking you guys with me. The plan is to go there, try to avoid dying, and try a new tent. I bought a new used tent from eBay, you can say, and the guy who sold it to me said that he has done some seal proofing, waterproofing, all that stuff. Today we are going to test if he was telling me the truth or not. Let's go! This road seems to be quite treacherous. It's really lots of snow still up here. I was trying to dig a little bit hole. I don't have to park the car here on the road, which is not allowed. So let's see if we can somehow drive the car here. Oh, we know. Oh, no. Okay, maybe another try. Thank God for four-wheel driving cars. I would have snowshoes in the car, but right now, when the snow is so wet and so packed, I don't see the advantage of snowshoes. It's different if it's fresh snow and really, you know, powder-like deep snow, and the snowshoes are way to go. Oh yeah. So you can see the bad weather front coming from over there. It's more like northwest where they are coming now, and they are hitting this direction. So let's get ready. Let's get ready to rumble. I was actually with the lingonberry. I was here, I don't know, two years ago maybe, during the winter, and we had snowshoes on, and we found a cool place to make a fire. There was a fallen tree, and it was somehow close to that. Let's see if we can find the same place. If not, then not. What did I tell you guys about the snowshoes? Damn. It's like up to my knee snow. But let's see. This would be hard, also with the snowshoes. So, a lot from this snow is melting away now. Also up here. Okay, this was the end of the road. Now I just have to figure out where the F should we go. It's getting really ridiculous. It's going in my boots. Damn. This is not the easiest walk in the park. Oh yeah. Lots of Christmas trees here. Who needs a Christmas tree? Talk about Christmas. By the way, this is the last video before the Christmas. We are heading to Scotland over the Christmas, and the next video will come after, when we get home, when I get back. I can do the editing, all that, but you could be sure that we will be filming content also in Scotland, and of course outdoors. Of course, outdoors. Here, I think it's this one. Told you about the fallen tree. Here, it's here. This is the place. Whew. Here, we made the fire, and look how big these trees are now. Whew. Okay, but no way here is enough place for the tent, so I think we are going to the summer holiday. No, we're going down here to this flat looking place. We should pack the snow and put the tent on the packed snow. Today the weather is warm, but if this would be cold weather, I would have made the first mistake already, because I'm sweating like a pig. So the tent we are having here, it's an old X-Bed Lyra Extreme. Well, let's see if it's good, if it's any good. Now we also know the name of the tent. It's called Vila 1 Extreme. Vila 1 Extreme, not Lira, it's Vila. But yeah, seems to be like these tent stakes. These are not enough, but I think it's enough for us just to, you know, check it out. I have never seen a tent like this. It's not freestanding. It's you just like, you know, you pull it out both sides, and in the middle comes this one tent pole, which is making the structure. I can see already what the problem can be in a bad weather. Here, this, if the rain, and when the rain comes here, it's going in through this vent and going inside. And the other thing, in this tent there are no doors. So how to open this? Like this. Is this zipper? It's working. Good. All right. So as you can see, you really have to like stake it out. Also the other side, that it's big enough. I think it's starting to rain. Let's get comfy here. As you can see, I'm inside the tent now. It's not very big, I must say. I'm sure it's long enough. Food box there is like a mesh for good ventilation. Up here is mesh for ventilation. Here is no mesh, but here is like a door. I think where your head is, what you can open easily. And the door, this inner door, is mesh door. So it's pretty cool. What I still don't get is this door system. But yeah, hey, this is cool. Look, when I'm pulling from this string, it's opening. I just realized that step 1 is done. But today I must disappoint some of you guys. This is our step 2 for today. I'm here with the car, and I'm not long enough here to, you know, if I would drink some step 2s like beer or whatever, I would not be burning all that before I have to drive back. So this is today's step 2. Cheers everyone, cheers. It's still good though. Oh yeah. Can you hear that? This is like the best soundtrack for falling asleep. I feel sleepy now already. Earlier I was like a bit worried that it's going to rain inside from that vent hole over there. So far it's not happening. Seems to be all cool but dry. Just how we want it. It's raining more heavily all the time. It's pouring. But this tent is mastering it very well. This is a one-person tent. It's definitely long enough. I'm not the smallest guy, and I'm still having like, I don't know, 30 centimeters down there. Here I have all my wood to burn, all that stuff, you know. Seems to be pretty okay. The only thing now actually bothering me is that there's not very many tent stakes. And the other thing is this system with the opening. It's good if you think like, you know, normally it's always the zipper which breaks down. Here it can't happen. But it's not very easy to operate, you know. But it's interesting. I'm giving point for expert of trying to do something different. Maybe it was not success and maybe it didn't work, but it's quirky as hell. And I appreciate different kind of thinking, whatever it is, you know. Some people who are not just copying the others, but coming up with their own ideas, and thumbs up, thumbs up. Maybe you can hear from that, it's really getting wild at the moment. It's raining cats and dogs. I feel like I'm trapped here inside, because I really don't want to get out now. And yeah, what we could actually do is we could check from the weather forecast. Oh, this looks bad. This looks bad. There is such a big blump of rain coming. Let's see if they, I think it's getting worse all the time actually. Yeah, it's actually pretty bad. There might be a small break in about 1.5 hours. It is what it is. We cannot change it now. We can just hunker down here. We can enjoy what we got. I got some mango, dried mango pieces. These are good. Not only are these delish, these are also really having a good amount of nature's own sugar. And quite easy, lightweight food for the track. But so far I must say the tent is keeping the water outside and it's melting the snow underneath the tent. I took some boiled eggs with me, but I'm having a pro tip. If you are having boiled eggs, you don't always have to put salt or that aromat on them. Sometimes you can just use Tabasco. And Tabasco gives a good good kick to a boiled egg. You should try. Alright guys, since it's really raining crazily, I went back to the drawing board and I was thinking, if we are going to make a fire, because it's really cold here, we're going to make a fire, we're going to need to put the tarp. The tarp is over there where the fallen tree is. I'm still leaving the tent here, but I'm taking all the stuff what I need to make the fire with me, and I'm going there underneath the tarp. Okay, all right. The cool thing is here we have like almost standing height. Ooh. Now we have to make the fire. We have to do the fire. Okay. told you earlier that it's warm. Once you get your fingers all wet, and it's just getting more wet all the time. Not warm anymore, I'm telling you. Now if this burns, it is great. You get all wet, you're wet, everything gets 10 times more difficult. 10 times more difficult. The things which are normally working, they don't work anymore. Come on now. Burn. Burn. Hey people, we have the fire. Everything is good. Everything is fine again. It just keeps raining and it keeps raining. Tarp, ladies and gentlemen, tarp can be a lifesaver. And now I see that in this tarp, here's like in the middle, there's like a stronger point where you basically can put some kind of tree or whatever, you know, to support it. When wood is burning, it's giving the best atmosphere. It's warming very nicely. That's the advantage. But yeah, so far the Guden seems to be kicking well with those new holes what I was drilling here. Everything okay, everything good. If there comes a small pause in this rain, you know, I will go and pack the tent. But now it seems like this rain is never ending. You know what's happening now. I got my Fjellduk on and I intend to go and pack the tent because this grey is not getting any better from this. This is it. This tent goes here inside. You know, when it's wet, you anyway have to like open it and let it dry. But look what's happening here. Guden. Don't want to burn. You see that the wood is like moist. Don't like it. Let's just put more wood into the flames. Oh yeah. Crazy rain. Ozzy would say crazy train, but I'm saying crazy rain. Not getting any better than this. I just don't think it's not getting any worse than this neither. So we could cook.
This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song.
This is the essence of camping. Fire.
It's filled with acid. Am I dreaming? What just happened? This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not.
Cooking on the fire. This is like icing on the cake.
Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad. I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy,
Oh yeah.
so much joy, couldn't wait for the.
It's definitely having a chicken taste.
Looking for Santa with lights. Those are the.
Buon appetito. Oh yeah.
Then I became a man.
There came a small break in the rain, so it's a good opportunity for us to pack this tarp and go down the hill.
And I turned back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song.
All right, let's go. I would like to thank you this time a lot coming with me to this extreme weather winter tent testing tarp camping adventure, and please comment down there by the comments. There's always interesting discussion and conversation going on when you guys are writing something. Without further ado, see you guys next time somewhere outside. And by the way, I wish you very, very merry and happy Christmas, and we'll get back after the Yule is gone. Hail Odin, everyone! Ciao!